Hey everybody, it's Vanderschot here, damn good realtor from Brand Realty Group and Real Broker, and today I am super excited because right now we're in front of 741 6th Street East right here in Owen Sound. You're going to want to check this one out. It's been totally renovated inside. It's absolutely beautiful. Perfect for a downsize, perfect for getting into the market, or even just an investment. Come on in, let me show you. Oh, hey, are you done inside already? Okay, well, I mean, I was sitting back here enjoying the sun because I wanted to show you this fully fenced in backyard. It's pretty sweet, especially if you got a furry friend. And if you want to check this thing out, feel free, give me a call at the number that's about to pop up. And thanks so much for joining us here at 741 6th Street East. Talk to you soon. And in the interim, I'm just gonna go right back down here.